Hello everyone, this is a tutorial on registering your business with the Red Bank Business Alliance through the RBBA website, rbbanj.com. The website will ultimately serve as our go-to portal and resource for anything and everything RBBA related, including updates, our events around town, a world-class business directory, and signature events that the RBBA has created or is partners in. I recommend that everyone take a look at the benefits of membership that we have listed and articulated here on the site. There's quite a bit of information here, tremendous benefits from joining the RBBA, and the cost of membership is really very minimal compared to some other professional organizations and chambers of commerce and so forth. So please have a look at that as well. So to get started, if you are a business owner in the town of Red Bank with a Red Bank zip code, you do not need to request to join. You are automatically qualified and can proceed directly to your initial registration. If you have questions about that, you can request to join here by filling out your business name, your name, email, phone, address, city, state, zip, and submitting. But assuming that you are a business in town, you can proceed directly to the initial registration page, which is the URL simply rbbanj.com/insider. That's for qualifying Red Bank businesses only. So the registration process is two-step. First is to register as a user of the website. You'll enter your username, and I'm going to use my wife's business. So she's going to register as a user of the site. She agrees to the code of conduct that is set forth here. Please read that before you agree. And then submit. Once you submit as a user, now you may register your business. You must be a user of the website, of the platform first, before you can register your business. So this indicates that our user registration was a success. Once I register as a user of the website, I can change my password here by entering in my email and get a new password. Offline, obviously, you'll check your email and you can create your new password. Once you've created the new password, enter it here, and then you're good to go. So, step 2, after you've registered, you've assigned your password, is to now register your business. The business registration form contains all of the fields that you can and should fill out to complete your business directory listing. And if we go to the front end example here, on the business directory of the RBBA website, businesses are categorized by different type, searchable by keyword, and displayed in this grid, which will give you, once you click on one, an abbreviated listing, including your name, your tagline, address, phone number, email, and if you click more info, you're directed to that business's specific directory page. So, Sweetest Sin Boutique has a great hero banner image across the top, title of the business, tags here in case someone wants a keyword that people can search by, logo, contact information on the right, including a clickable link to directions, telephone, email, web address, your social media links for your specific business, a number of different URLs you can enter for reservations, for schedules, for events, etc., hours of operation, and then contact people. We've also got a write-up summary here as well as a photo gallery. So it's a very robust, comprehensive business directory listing, all for every business in the RBBA for the cost of your membership. Really a great resource. So that's what we're going to spend some time working on today, showing you how to do this. So going back to the business registration page, we're going to go through the process. I will speed through some of this, but basically show you the way to register. Now, when it comes to your logo, your banner hero image, and your gallery, I've got some specific pixel dimensions here indicated. Your logo should be no more than 200 pixels wide. Your banner image across the top should be approximately 1920 by 600. And your gallery of images should be approximately 960 wide by 556 tall. If you're not an expert with pixel dimensions and sizing your images, just Google image resizing tool, and there are plenty of them online or software you can download. But getting the image sizes correct is a little bit of a stumbling block for some, so I tried to give some basic size parameters to follow. So if I go to choose my business logo, I've got a folder full of images prepared here. Okay, so there's my logo, 200 wide, my business banner, 1920 wide. So for my gallery, I can select up to 5 images. I've got a folder here set up with the images that I want. I can command click those. Up to 5, upload them all. Once they're done uploading, we can move on to the business description. The business description is a section where you can enter a narrative about your business. I'm going to include some language from the Monmouth Academy of Ballet website here. Then we can fill in some of the business specifics, including the address, business phone, email. After the email, you've got a number of URLs that you can enter, web addresses. So first and foremost is the business website, monmouthacademyofballet.com. If you're a restaurant and you've got OpenTable or some other third-party reservation system with its own web address, you can enter that URL here. If you've got live music, art classes, parties, or special events, you can enter the URL from your website for those things here. And then your schedule URL for a business like the Monmouth Academy of Ballet. We've got a class schedule URL here with all the classes, what days of the week they're offered. So I'm going to copy that URL and paste it into the schedule URL field here. Keyword tags separated by commas: dance, ballet, children, adult. Just some examples. You can enter up to 5 here. Business category, we're going to classify this as art. Now, social media links, another great resource here. Monmouth Academy of Ballet has a Facebook link, which I will copy from here, paste the URL here, and I'm going to add a new one because she's also got Instagram. And I'll go to the Instagram page and copy the URL from here and paste it in here. Working hours, we're going to say Monday through Saturday. Please see schedule. Now, if you've got Monday through Friday hours, but you've got different hours for Saturday, feel free. And then Sunday, yet different hours again, no problem. Add or remove up to 7 days a week, no worries. Oh, I don't need that one, don't need that one. Very easy to edit. Lastly, we've got contact people with the position, the name, and the email address where you can get in touch with them. You may add multiple people here, an owner, a manager, booking, whatever it happens to be. So the form is basically complete. The last step is to pay my membership dues. This is an important part here. Your dues are $50 per year. This is going to be a subscription that you set up and pay through PayPal. So when I click submit, I'm going to get redirected to PayPal. I'm going to pay my $50. I'm going to agree to the recurring $50 a year membership, which I can cancel at any time in my PayPal settings, not through the RBBA. You cancel your membership through your PayPal recurring payments, which I'll show you in a minute. But that's the last step. I submit. I'm redirected to the Red Bank Business Alliance PayPal checkout page. I can subscribe using a credit card, or I can log in to my PayPal account. I've got a $50 payment that I'm agreeing to make. I agree. I subscribe. Okay, I set up my $50 subscription. I'm ready to go. Everything looks good. Now I'm going to return to my merchant. Takes me back to the RBBA site. Business registration success. So the entire process went through. Payment was submitted successfully. My business listing is currently pending. An administrator will review the submission to approve your listing, or if there's an issue with it, will contact you to discuss. That's it in a nutshell, everybody. Please follow along with this video. Refer to it as many times as you need to as you're filling things out. Good luck, and we will see you in the directory. Thanks.